Hi, my name is Ana Mencini. If you want to work in the United States, you have a number of options open to you. Generally, work visas are divided into two groups, immigrant visas and non-immigrant visas. Let's take a look at non-immigrant visas first. Probably the most popular work visa is the H-1B visa, which is issued for 3 years, renewable for another 3 years, and available to those people working in a specialty occupation. We have another video on this topic alone if you'd like more information. Another visa is the L visa. This visa is for people who are working at a company outside the United States, which has a subsidiary or sister company in the United States. Those who have worked for the parent or subsidiary company for at least a year outside the United States and who are in a specialty position or upper management can transfer to the United States on an L visa. This visa too is good for up to 7 years. A very underutilized visa is the E visa for treaty investors and treaty traders. Nationals of countries that have entered into a specific treaty with the United States are eligible for this visa. The treaty trader visa requires the foreign national to establish a company in the United States that does a majority of trading its goods with the country of origin. The treaty investor visa allows foreign nationals to start or invest in a company in the United States. Both of these visas are non-immigrant work visas, but can be renewed indefinitely as long as the company remains in business. Another option for Canadians and Mexicans only is the TN visa. This visa lists a specific set of jobs that qualify for TN status. As long as one is a national of Mexico or Canada and employed in one of these positions and meets the educational requirement for the position, the TN visa will be issued. It can also be issued indefinitely as long as the job is still available. Types of jobs eligible under the TN visa include architect, accountant, software engineer, economist, engineer, graphic designer, hotel manager, dentist, pharmacist, librarian, lawyer, and chemist. Those employed by religious organizations and members of a religious order can qualify for an R visa, which can eventually lead to the filing of a green card application. These are some of the work visas available for temporary work in the United States. One can also obtain permanent residency through work in the United States. Immigrant work visas are categorized by the requirements of the job, and the visas are generally more plentiful for jobs requiring exceptional skill. There are 5 preference categories for these visas. They include First Preference, which is reserved for individuals with extraordinary abilities such as Nobel Prize winners, exceptional educators, and multinational executives. Second Preference is granted to individuals with advanced degrees. Third Preference is issued to skilled and professional workers. Fourth Preference is reserved for foreign religious workers and current and past employees of the U.S. government. Fifth Preference is given to those who wish to start a business in the United States that could create job opportunities for citizens. Applying for permanent residency through a work visa is a complicated process, so you and your employer should consult an experienced immigration attorney before making any decision on how to proceed with your case. Please note that this is general information only, it is not legal advice, and no attorney-client relationship was established.